Winshuttle Runner allows any authorized SAP user to securely manage SAP business processes from within familiar environments without having to go through the SAP UI. Runner can either be used completely from within Excel or as a desktop application with the same functionality available in both options. You can take control of your SAP application data by interacting with SAP from Excel, eliminating the need to learn new software. Runner can be used to extract or update SAP data in a simplified way. Runner is easy to install and even easier to deploy, allowing you to manage your own solutions without relying on IT to build or update scripts in SAP. There are several ways to use Winshuttle scripts to upload data in SAP. Open up a list of recently opened files in Runner and pin your favorite files so you always have them at the top of the list. Look at more details on a script before deciding to open it by clicking the small drop-down arrow to the left of the script's name. Double-click on the file name to open the script and add data to the current data file, or open a different data file with the same mapping coordinates by using the Open a Different Data File button. This will open the new file and will work as long as the cells and columns are in the same format as expected by the script mapping. Now you can look at available values to assist you in preparing data. If there is no list defined for some fields, you will still be able to look at the SAP values defined for the field. In order to prepare your data, there is a validation step to check the validity of specific line items and entries. Runner respects all SAP data validation rules and SAP security, allowing more users to interact with SAP without compromising the data integrity and system permissions. One of the unique features of Runner is that errors show up in line with the line items. This helps you quickly identify and correct issues, which ultimately leads to fewer SAP errors. To take this a step further, Winshuttle Runner allows you to use the Simulate functionality from within the Studio application to check the correctness of your data, like that in a financial journal posting.